Hi and welcome to my channel and my new video. And if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. Today we have the Gshock GA-100 and I'm gonna show you how to properly align your digital and analog time, or how to adjust your or correct your watch hands. So let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, press and hold the forward button until you hear the beep. And there it is. We have sub flashing on our digital sub dial over here. Now, first in a row of settings, and there are two of them, is setting our speed hand over here. The speed hand is properly aligned if it's positioned exactly at 12 o'clock, and it is positioned exactly. But to change if it's not, press the forward button and it will rotate the hand clockwise, as you can see. Each press of the forward button rotates the hand clockwise. So press the forward button until your speed hand is exactly at 12 o'clock. So I'm pressing the forward button until I align it exactly at 12 o'clock. There it is. Next up, once we have finished with aligning our speed hand, we'll press the mode button over here and we move on to aligning our main watch hands. So that is the minute and the hour hand. They should align exactly at 12 o'clock. And they are properly aligned. But just in case if they are not, you can press the reverse or forward button to move it clockwise or anti-clockwise until it's set correctly or exactly at the 12 o'clock. Once it's set exactly, and there it is, as you can see. I'm gonna zoom in, so it is exactly at, well, maybe not, well, is it? Let me see, and that is exactly 12 o'clock. Once we align our hands, we'll just press the adjust button once, and now the analog time should correspond to our digital time. It is 12 o'clock and 7 minutes, and it is correct. That was another video on my channel, and if you are into watches and watch content, please leave a like and subscribe. So thank you.